More about birds. This is a green bee eater. It is green in color. It eats bees. You can see it on the telephone wire. This is the purple sunbird. It shines in the sunlight. Its beak is different. Look! It goes deep in the flower. This is a bulbul. It has a red color under its tail. It has a black cap on its head. This is a kingfisher. It has different colors. You can see it near a lake. It catches and eats fish. This is a grey hornbill. It hides in the branches. It has a different beak. It eats fruits. This is a drongo. It has a V in its tail. It eats insects. It copies the sounds of other birds. This is the Magpie Robin. It is black and white in color. It hops on the ground. It sings very well. This is a kite. It flies very high in the sky. It has a triangular tail. This is the paradise flycatcher. It has a long tail. When it is a baby, it is brown. It turns white when it grows up. This is a flamingo. It is pink in color. It stands on one foot when it is resting. It eats upside down. It lives in groups.
If you like our videos, do share them and subscribe to our channel. If you want awesome quizzes, write to us. Keep watching and keep learning with Walnut.